Alrighty, it's about 5:30 in the morning on Tuesday, and this will be the first time I'm heading to CNC in 40 days. It's going to be a little emotional for me considering, well, you guys know what happened to me. So of course I figured I'd bring you along and videotape it. Let's do this, shall we?
Get real with the fever on the dance floor. Now who got the fever for the flame? Who can dig the way that I flex on a track? Conclusion rampage. Ricky Rick on point with the knife I style for my lip. That be rolling the mad joints. Just put your hands in the air, cause there's a party over here. So grab yourself a beer, and we can get our fever on. I'm with it, so let me put my big brown beaver on. I'm coming with the disco, I can flip so I'ma drop a solo tip. Something for the honeys in the crowd, let me get real, so I can turn the party out till tomorrow afternoon. Cause when I grips my skills, no one leaves the room. So tell me, can you feel the math skills coming with the fever, fever, fever? On the dance floor.
Step to the side, you gotta run and hide. More to the side, everybody wants to stay alive.
Everybody's in the house, we have to run this back so you can break your flares out. In trance, I'm the only one, we got it going on. So let me get my flowing on. If the blast on the past thing you heard of, me and the boys coming down with murder. And it's gotta be the way. Everybody wants to make a move, so just party, or we can have a jam. So get your move on, I'ma take this groove and slam. Flip it how I want it, flip from the back to the front when I talks me the manuscript. Cause I got the moves, and I'm always on the flow with the crazy, crazy grooves. Tell me, can you feel the math skills coming with the fever, fever, fever? On the dance floor.
Step to the side, you gotta run and hide. More to the side, everybody wants to stay alive.
Yeah.
Step to the side, you gotta run and hide. More to the side, everybody wants to stay alive.
Everybody in the house, come on and let me hear you say ho. Ho. Everybody in the house, come on and let me hear you say ho, 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 ho. Everybody in the house, come on and let me hear you say ho. Ho. Everybody in the house, come on and let me hear you say ho, 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 ho. It's about time. Everybody in the house supposed to move to my vicious rule rhymes. Ricky Rick on a tip with my boys bringing disco noise as I drop the wickedness, getting sharp with the flow. We took a BG swoop and broke it down like Gecko. A disco lick that's deeper, cause we gotta get with the fever, fever, fever.